Tired of spending too much time prepping vegetables in the kitchen? Had enough of tools that are too clunky or unsafe to use? If you answer yes to the above, this multi-function food cutter might just be what you need. Designed to work seamlessly as a mandolin slicer, dicer, chopper, julienne slicer, and potato chipper, all in one compact, safe, easy-to-use device. This tool makes quick work of laborious vegetable prep jobs in the kitchen. It allows you to make professional-looking garnishes, onion rings, potato chips and fries, elegant salads, vegetable pizza toppings, etc. in minutes, quickly and safely every time. Cutting vegetables into beautiful garnishes is now as easy as pushing a handle. The food cutter comes with 4 cutting modes and 40 variable thicknesses, giving you a total of 160 cutting results. This makes it the most versatile food cutter on the market. Of equal importance is that the food cutter can cut your vegetables and fruits quickly and safely without risks of finger injuries, thanks to its unique, innovative safety design. What can the food cutter do? The food cutter is equipped with 4 cutting modes to make slices, fries and chips, dices, and juliennes from your vegetables and fruits. There are also 40 thickness levels to choose from, ranging from 0.5 millimeters to 8 millimeters in thickness. What makes it different? 4 cutting modes: slice, strip, julienne, dice, in a safe, compact, easy-to-use device. Slice, dice, chop, or julienne vegetables or fruits in one swift motion by pushing down on the handle. Comes with 40 variable cutting thicknesses, easily adjustable via control knobs. Works great with a large variety of vegetables and fruits, such as carrots, cucumbers, onions, potatoes, turnips, rutabagas, zucchini, large radishes, squash, beetroots, capsicums, apples, pears. Processes food many times faster than cutting with a knife. Much more versatile and safer to use than a conventional mandolin slicer. Concealed blades for safe operation. No more risk of hand injuries. Minimal vegetable wastage after cutting. Foldable feet and collapsible handle for safe, compact storage and transport. Includes a container to collect the chopped foods. Includes a cleaning brush for safely cleaning the blades. Includes a blade guard for added safety when not in use. Easy cleaning simply by rinsing under running tap water. Dishwasher safe. Top shelf. Made from premium quality, ultra-sharp 420J2 Japanese stainless steel blades and BPA-free, food-safe ABS plastic. Passed EU food grade tests, LFGB, FDA, and PAH's tests. With so much to do during the day, cooking needs to be done fast. The multi-function food cutter is the tool to free up your precious time in the kitchen and put the fun back into cooking.